Consider the example 3 on the right circular cone. Find the equation of the right circular cone whose vertex is at the origin and its generator intersects the circle through the points A 1, 2, 2, B 1, -2, 2 and C 2, -1, -2. Now if you compare this example with the previous two examples, you will note down that only the vertex has been given and the two other components, that is semi-vertical angle and axis, are missing. So firstly, we assume the direction cosines of the axis as L, M, N. Next, write down the direction cosines of the generator VA, the direction cosines of the generator VB, and the direction cosines of the generator VC. Now alpha, the semi-vertical angle, is the angle between the axis and any generator of the cone. Therefore, by using the formula for cos alpha as L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2, we get three expressions for cos alpha. Solving these equations and using L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1, we get L is equal to 4 by root 17, M is equal to 0 and N is equal to 1 by root 17. Substituting these values in any one of these expressions, we get cos alpha is equal to 2 by root 17. Now assume the locus point Pxyz write down the direction ratios of the generator VP X, Y, Z. Apply the formula for cos alpha. Substitute all the values and after squaring and simplifying, we get the required cone equation as 12x square minus 4y square minus 3z square plus 8xz equal to 0. Note down that this is a cone with the vertex at the origin. Therefore, the equation is second degree homogeneous equation in x, y and z.